Hello everyone, hope you're well. Welcome to today's video, and we're doing another one of these tested, sort of quite quick, snappy videos showing you a product, how it's used and the results. So today we've got this Finesse Caramics, which is supposed to be these ceramic wipes that are sort of much more easier for us to use. What I would like to do is do a big shout out and a big thank you as well to the Instagrammer who actually sent me this as well, which was fantastic. He donated this to me as a little freebie to try this out, so I've got to shout him out. His name is blk_yell.fez. Right, so let's delve into it. So the first thing you need to do is to use the prep spray. So I'm just going to spray some onto my actual microfiber as well as the panel itself. And I'm just going to work it into the surface, and what happens is you don't need to buff it off afterwards, it just sort of evaporates. Once that's done, get one of the ceramic wipes, open it up, then apply it horizontally and vertically, a bit like a hashtag or a potato waffle. Then it states to only leave it for 2 to 5 minutes maximum, which is what I did, and I can understand that because it was actually quite hard to buff off. Sort of if you did leave it towards the 5-minute stage, it was very, very hard. So just literally 2 to 3 minutes is plenty to let it cure on the surface and then buff it off. So I use one microfiber first, and then to get a much nicer finish with no sort of smearing left is I use a nice dry microfiber. So here are the results after an hour or two, and it is looking super shiny. I mean, my car has actually just been to the body shop recently, but that's also the reason why I actually wanted to do this. But it's just sort of enhanced it even more. It's given it a really nice high gloss finish, which hopefully comes across on camera. And again, if you're just looking at that reflection, it looks awesome. And again, this is where we've just had some fresh new paint and parts fitted. So the idea is I just wanted to make sure that it was protected as much as possible. But I do feel like the car has a little bit more gloss to it. Again, even with the fresh paint job, I actually think that this has actually left a more of a glass finish than it was even fresh out the body shop. Right, incoming water test the following day. Oh, that's good. So there you go, there's the Finesse ceramic wipes. Gets a thumbs up.